The truth is, it's really easy to let our yoga practice fall to the wayside. And once we're out of the habit, then it's even harder to get back into it. So here's the thing. You just need to show up and then allow yourself just that one time, 1 hour back, and then check in to see how you feel. What I know is, if you get back and you give yourself that one chance, afterwards, you'll notice that you do feel different. Maybe it's more focused, greater clarity, you sleep better. And as Jon Kabat-Zinn says, not practicing is a form of practice. What I mean by that is you don't often notice what's missing until then you go back to something that you know was good for you, like getting on your mat and doing your yoga practice. And then all of a sudden you realize, wow, I'm more patient, I'm kinder, I'm more thoughtful. Yoga makes your life better. There you have it. That's an undeniable truth. So, isn't it time that you get back to your mat? I think so.